Super excited to show you this gorgeous home on Easton Drive. This is a fantastic location. I'm going to show you the surrounding street in just a minute. Close to Lake Hollingsworth, central Lakeland, fabulous neighborhood, absolutely beautiful and established. So let's go take a look at this 4-bedroom, 4-bath and see what you think. A lot of original touches, and I think you're going to be well pleased. Let's go take a look. So today we're at 1407 Easton. And this listing is courtesy of my friend Deborah. She is with Paige Wagner Homes, and we want to collaborate together to try to help her sell her out. So let's take a look at this gorgeous home. Fantastic location. First thing I'll point out is the nice circular drive. I say circular, it comes in and it kind of circles out that way. But a massive lot, corner lot. Fantastic location. Let me get out of the road here. We've got a car coming. But if you could just, hopefully you can visualize how pretty this area is. It's a beautiful house across the street on a big lot. Nice established oak trees. Right on Easton Drive, 1407 Easton. Right off of New Jersey Road. Lake Hollingsworth is super close. We're pretty much central Lakeland. So let's take a look at this here from the outside. Got a metal roof. And again, you can see we're on a corner lot here. Now, right past my car, there is a massive carport. We'll see that in just a minute. So let's take a tour of the inside. This home, if you are taking notes or just listening, 3,385 square feet, built in 1960. So this is a lot of home, and let's go take a look at it. It's so neat to see all the original concepts that homes had, you know, back 65 years ago. So with the low windows, you'll see some of the originality in this. I'm not going to exactly guarantee what's original and what's not, but you'll get some ideas. So when you first walk in, you don't see this a whole lot. You got a sunken living room. They've marked it off nicely with chairs so you don't trip and fall off. Beautiful tile flooring. And then this is out to the pool. We're gonna take a look at that in just a minute. Again, some of the original, look at this pretty wood door. Just a linen closet, but you know, when you see some of this, it's really neat. So let's keep moving, step down. So really, formal living room, use it for an office, a game room, a bonus room, what have you. So we're gonna go on this side of the house in a minute. Let's go over to the right-hand side. It's got a formal dining room. Pretty good size. It's got ceramic tile flooring. Notice the pretty chandelier. I'm sure that's probably original. And then all the built-ins for your all your dishes and what have you, knickknacks. Heading into the kitchen area. Nice sized kitchen. Tile backsplash. You could do some updating on the cabinets. Throw in some new countertop. Looks like they've replaced the sink. Double oven, fridge, microwave, dishwasher. And then they have several doors that are leading to the pool area. That's just one of them. We're gonna come back and show you that in just a minute. So going from the dining area, let's walk straight on back here. This is a good sized bedroom. I'm just gonna call this the master bedroom. So a couple things. It's got like of course your master bath is right here, but notice, and I'm gonna show you some more of this, some of this tile you can see is original. It's what they call mud-based tile. It's really solid. It lasts a long time. And they've done some updating with the sink, some of the fixtures, the mirrors, and then you got shower doors there. It's a tub shower combination on the other side of that. Now notice the cedar, which is really cool. Comment below if you like the cedar. This, I don't really have a strong smell on this, but it's just, man, nice stuff. A lot of originality. You got the closet shelving here. You could do a lot of different things with this closet. So it's a big house for entertaining or what have you, because you got this, which is really going to be your family room. Step down here with a nice fireplace, little skylight there. But look at this fireplace, good size, pretty stone. I'm sure they've had some conversations here the last 65 years around the fire, which we do fires once or twice a year in fireplaces here in sunny Lakeland, Florida. You don't get a ton, but you do have a couple nights maybe worthy of it. If you're watching from up north, New York or something, you're probably laughing at us, but we put jackets on when it's 55 or 50 here. We freeze. Not really, but I'm kind of telling the truth. There's another way out to the pool, just some storage here. If you're under like 25 years old, you have no idea what this is. Put in the chat below if you've seen this, if you know what it is. I'll tell you one thing, they're pretty cool and they make noise. Okay, so heading into here, we're gonna step up. This is really like a great, you could use this for a multitude of things. I see this like a pool room, a bonus room, put a pool table, hang out, put the kids, the teenagers out here, tell them to be quiet. Full bath. It's got the shower. And again, you've got the mud-based tile. Now this is kind of cool the way this was designed, because this goes into our carport area. Bring your groceries in through here, I guess. So I'm gonna really call this like a 3-car carport at least, because it could almost be 4-car. Probably is 4-car. Head around the side here. Again, you're gonna see if you just do a drive-by on this home. Be happy to show it to you, give you a private showing, or my friend Deborah would do the same. Just a great area. Yeah, this is 4-car. Couldn't tell from the side there. Plenty of room for parking, no HOA. City limits. There's some storage in back there. I'm gonna show you that in just a minute. Let's walk in here. Okay, so let's keep on showing you the house. Coming back around. Kitchen was straight ahead, you've seen that. Here is some storage area. I don't know if you call it a pantry, but for your knickknacks, you could do that there. And then we're gonna walk back through the living room to the other side of the house. Stepping up here, here is a full bath. It's really your pool bath. One of your 4 bathrooms. And they've really maintained everything very nicely. It's the last time you've seen an octagon sink. That's actually pretty cool right there. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. Again, we'll show you the pool in a minute. Just like the wood door, it's in great shape. Look at that. Again, it's a shower, but look at the Art Deco, really neat. Man, it's in great condition again. This house has been very well taken care of. Some of you would want to come in here and update. Some of you would think, man, I'm gonna leave it original and update just the parts that I want to, whatever your preference is. A lot of natural light coming into our step-down living room too. Now notice the bedrooms are generous size. You've got terrazzo floors here, which is again great. It's kind of like the hardwood of today, or the LVP flooring. It's gonna be great for kids, pets, durability. Shine it up, it looks fantastic. Coming through here. So a couple different spaces. I'm gonna take you right in just a minute, but going left, here is a bedroom, low windows. It's gonna be a space back there. I'm gonna take you there in just a second. Closet. Straight ahead is, really they're calling this like a good mother-in-law suite, if you want to. Lots of counter space, cabinet space, plenty of mirrors. You're definitely gonna look in here and see yourself in here. Look at the size of that beauty bar. That's a long beauty bar right there. You are lit up. You're gonna see everything on your face. Tub shower combination. Again, look at this, so cool. Love that. It's, you know, some of you would say it's better than what they use these days. I wouldn't argue that. Look how in great condition it is. Okay, so coming in here, terrazzo floors is being carried all the way through here. So this is a separate eating area or kitchen for your, again, in-law suite, teenage suite, whatever. It's really cute. I'm sure that's what it was built for. And you can see sink, cabinets, little range, fridge, pantry. And then they could have this area for a their little living room. It does have a unit out here that's currently cooling it. And then there is an exterior entrance to head out that way too. So a multitude of things what you could do here. Okay, let's head back out. I'd like to show you the rest of the house here. But I'm gonna take you through the kitchen to get through the pool area. Again, more space outside too. Appreciate you tuning in today. Do me a favor, like this video, comment. Hey, drop a comment below. What's your favorite part of this house is? I'd love to read all the comments, respond back. Of course, I'd love to help you if you're looking for any assistance with real estate. Look at the size of this pool. This is really nice. It's fully screened. It's massive. Lots of place here for deck space here for chairs. It's got like a rock flooring, which is kind of cool. Look at that. It looks rougher, I think, on that video, but it's smooth when you're walking on it. Again, plenty of different routes to come to the pool area. Here's what I want to show you first. So behind this, check this out. I think I'd set up a bowling alley right here. I'd put pins on the end. There's one gutter, maybe another one. Just get my creative mind going, just throw it right there, get a strike. What would you do? All right, this way, more storage. Lots of storage. Cabinets. You can see there's the pool equipment, the chlorine, some of your outside features. And then again, that just kind of winds around to where that carport is. So, massive area. And let's take you around here to show you the final part of the backyard. Currently recording this video end of May, hitting June here, and we're starting to heat up here in sunny Florida. But we're having a little bit of a break with temperature and humidity last couple of days. Massive storage shed. There's your she shed. Comes around here, or your man cave. And then fenced in here, and then there's your AC unit. And that was that little in-law living room. And then of course you got all your walking space here too. So you could pull a small car up here if you wanted to. Tons of potential, fantastic location, lots of square footage. Would be a great home to call your family home. Would love to show it to you or assist you in connecting you with one of our team members or Deborah for more information. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Comment below and I would love to connect with you to help you with all your real estate needs. Thank you for watching this video. Do me a favor, if you would like this channel, subscribe to it, drop all your favorite comments from this tour below. We'd love to connect with you for all your real estate needs. My cell phone number is below. Hope you have a great day. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a good one.